All right, guys, here's Zack's. Not open. Right here on River Road, Hudson Falls. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, we're doing a thing on the hot dog places.
Oh, you been around?
All right, guys, this place is going to be reopened next year. They're doing a little renovations. There it is, Zack's, with the original recipe. Let's take a look around. I love this place. Now, what you used to do is just park out here in the lot. Somebody'd come out here. They'd take your order and then put a little thing on your window. That's how you did it. It's a drive-in, or they call it car hop. All right, we stopped by Zack's, and
Great news.
great news. They're going to open up next year, probably at the beginning of the season, I think, which is spring or something like that.
You said the original recipe,
That's
which
right.
is great.
Now, Zack's has been there since 1944. I don't know how many years that is. My math skills suck.
Wow.
But it's a lot. You know, so a lot of these places have been around forever. It's good to see that they'll probably be around for a little bit more. And yeah, they're going to do the original recipe on the Zack's Texas Hot, which I didn't really think was that hot, but I love it.
I don't think it's more about the hot dog than the spice.
Yeah, well, it's one of my faves. So
They're renovating right now.
renovating
Gutting
now.
the whole
So
thing and making it all new again.
we'll see you next year.